Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2018 Cadillac Escalade ESV. This one's black. Underneath it's a 6.2 V8 with 420 horsepower and 460 pounds of torque. This one has front and rear LED daytime running lights, running boards, 24-inch wheels, brown leather interior with a light wood trim, sunroof, rear seat entertainment, rear climate controls, Escalade badging, power liftgate, clean set of floor mats, come alongside keyless entry, blind spot assist, memory seats, Bose sound system, illuminated door sill, steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, a push start ignition, touchscreen media display, navigation, rear view backup camera with sensors, dual climate controls, heated and cooled seats, USB ports, wireless charging. This Escalade has 46,359 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Cadillac Escalade ESV, check out feldmannimports.com.